Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today we're actually going to do a flip through of the latest tall and skinny journal that we did using a lot of my digitals that's in my shop. So we'll do that flip through in just a moment. But first I wanted to share with you guys, so I just did this week's Rachel at Roxy Creations, Roxy's weekly challenge, and I absolutely loved doing these. So if you guys will remember, this was the prototype and this was the one that we actually did on camera together, but I went ahead and made a couple more and they're so cute, guys. I just had to share them with you. So as you know, I cannot tie a bow, so that's a given. So this is one that I did, and goofball me, guys, I actually did my pocket here upside down. It was supposed to go over here, so that then made my outside upside down. So I kind of disguised this here with one of these flowers, and then this here with this little bunny journaling card. I just thought they were so cute, and it doesn't say Easter or anything, so it can be springy. And just use one of, I think maybe this is one of Tracy's labels, maybe, to strengthen up where we put that hole. Use this same trim because I thought it was really cute, but of course the words on the back are upside down. But yeah, we could always come in and put something over that. But yeah, I just thought this one turned out really cute. So this is the inside, and sorry for my reach, but let me just grab something. So this is a tuck spot here, and then we have our little pocket here, and then of course you have a space here where it can hold lots of ephemera, and then of course our little well-tail tab. But yeah, I thought these turned out super cute, so I just wanted to share them with you guys real quick. And instead of putting something over this on the back, I just did it the same way that I did that one and just glued it down with some art glitter glue, and it's holding very well. Guys, I'm filming on Sunday. I actually did these at like 4 o'clock this morning. I had been up since 2. I had to work 6 to 2, but got up at 6. Fumble fingers here. There we go. Got up at 2, sorry, because I couldn't sleep, so I just came in here and started doing some crafting, and that's a sad little bow. And then this one I absolutely love. So I used this seam binding here on this one, definitely more delicate. Put a little butterfly sticker there and there, and then just this little journaling card thing I had put there. So you open it up, and again we have a tuck there. We have the well-tail tab, and then you have a little tuck spot there. And this was just stuff laying around, guys. And then, of course, you got your big pocket there, and that opens up a good bit. So, yeah, so you can... And then this one, because the glue was showing through, I did have to put a label on the back, but I think this blue matched it perfectly. And I'm not sure whose labels those are, guys, because that was definitely... back when I was not trying to keep up with whose was whose, so, and I have the memory of a carrot, so there we go. I am trying to get better at, you know, labeling stuff, keeping it together with whose it is. So there's that one, super cute. Alright, so these can actually go now in our done ephemera basket, which is growing huge. Look, guys, and we even took stuff out to do this whole journal. So we're going to put this back here. Some of this stuff I made, some of it I did not, like all of these pieces here. I had purchased from Tina over at Shabby Dabby Doodah. A lot of these other things, like all this stuff in here, were gifts. And then these are all centered around roses and flowers, so I got those out for probably my next tall and skinny journal project. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through. As you can see, we got some lace and stuff on there. Still just have that pretty seam binding there. And I actually had this to go in there. This was one of Rachel's weekly challenges that we did. It's a document holder. I just decided to put that with this journal. So make sure we can see good. And right here, just did some stenciling and put that lace down through there. This is a digital in my shop. And then in here, we just have this oversized tag here. And that is pretty much just tucked in there. I've got fumble fingers already, I see. Just put one of these pictures in there. This is Heather at Ruby and Pearl. And then this is just one of the little tags that were left. I want to see that little lady. She's so cute. From one of my yeah, those things, masterboards that we did. Okay, put that back over there. This is a digital in my shop. Blue stenciling there. This is also a digital. And these are from my 1871 Peterson's magazine. We put a pocket here. And that beautiful journaling card there. And of course, those ladies. I think there's either 2 or 3 kits with the ladies in there. And then that one stenciled there. And as you guys know, I told you I got wore out on the stenciling. This is a digital in my shop. This is just clipped on, and this is also one of Rachel's weekly challenges we did with vellum, and I decided to do the pink. And excuse me, this is also a digital in my shop. Like I said, all of those are from the Peterson's magazine. Have a little tag there, and again, that was from a master board. This I just printed on vellum. This is some antique wallpaper that I own. It's a digital in my shop as well. Just decorated this little cute tag and stuck it on there, and that is antique book page. I believe this was the 1700s on that one, and it's got that prayer card on the other side. And I don't remember, guys, if this is Sam Poole or Heather at Ruby and Pearl. I think it's one or the other. Rose stenciling there, other side of one of those in my shop. Little pocket here with, again, another little tag and a tall tag made out of that collage board that I made. And then this right here, this may have been one of Rachel's. These are all excuse me, vintage and antique papers that have been put in here of various kinds. And then that one's from a book that I own. So we have that there. If I can perhaps get it paper clipped back on there. There we go. And then this is the middle of the signature. This is also wallpaper that I own here. And then this is one of hers as well, just clipped on again. And this is just a digital folded. You can open it up and write in there. And then I just took some antique book page. All of this is authentic antique documents, pieces of documents. And then this right here is on some antique book page. And I believe this lady kit here is Ruby and Pearl. And just like a little band that goes across there. It is put together with washi, so you could take that apart if you chose to. That's a digital in my shop. And then this is an over the page bookmark. It was Judy at Rose Lane that I saw do those. And that's where I got tuckered out, guys, on the stenciling, so I didn't do any more. The other side of that wallpaper, digital, that vellum. Another pocket here, 2 small tags from our collage board that was left. And this is a really tiny document holder. It was also in one of Rachel's weekly challenges. So since she fit, I decided to tuck her in there. Just a little tuck here. Again, a journaling card from that master board. And a lot of this blue here is, this one's not, but this one up here is Gail's. That's the other side of that digital. That again is in my shop. This one as well. Paper feels thick. Pocket here and another one of those tags. This is a digital in my shop as well as one of my Paris ladies, and this has some vintage lace and some little flat back pearls on there. And then this is a little piece of vintage applique up there, and that just slides in there. That's the other side of that. It says Peterson's Magazine, 1871. This is another one of those just clip-ins. Again, you can open it up and journal in all of this here. Another one of those tags with one of my Paris ladies on there. And I just decorated it with that yellow flower. And then that. Another one of Heather's. It's called Flower something in her shop. Absolutely love that kit. And then another little journaling card that was left from our collage masterboard. The other side of that one that's in my shop. Another one of those prayer cards on an antique book page that's just folded up. And a little tag there. I didn't decorate it with anything. And all of the paper clips are rusted paper clips. There's another one of those flippies. So we have some vellum here. This is handmade embossed paper. Just really cute papers in here. Isn't she cute? Is on there, and then that is the back cover. So that, guys, is the flip through of our latest tall and skinny journal. I am ready to get those other two done because they should have a lot more pink. This one ended up with a lot more blues, I guess, than pink. So yeah, I'm really excited to work on the other ones. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Today, let's see, I'm not sure when this is going to post. Maybe Tuesday, so it probably would have been yesterday, the 24th, because I'm filming on Sunday the 23rd, and I'm actually fixing to do my hashtag Shop Your Stash 2023. So if you don't know what that's about, just yeah, check out, let's see, if you see this Monday, no, you'll see this Tuesday, check out yesterday's video. It will tell you all about it. Alright, I love you guys, thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.